Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, Day 300 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's theme is Grateful Heart, a gentle practice of appreciation and quiet joy for where you are right now. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and release slowly. Feel your heart soften as you breathe into your chest. Think of one small thing, something simple that brings you comfort or peace. It could be warmth, laughter, stillness, or someone you love. Let your breath expand around that feeling. Let this golden warmth move to every place that feels tired, heavy, or tense. You don't have to fix anything. Just allow the light to soothe and restore you. Now, say to yourself, I am thankful for this moment. My heart is open to peace, and gratitude flows through me like light. Feel that gratitude spreading, warming your heart, calming your thoughts, steadying your breath. Stay here for a few breaths longer, resting in quiet appreciation. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of gratitude into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.